Welcome to another Couches RV Nation video. Today we're going to take a look at a brand new XLR Nitro 27KW. This is a toy hauler trailer slash bunkhouse. They took a popular bunkhouse travel trailer floor plan and turned it into a small toy hauler with a back porch, little outdoor refrigerator and TV area. So we're going to take a few minutes, walk you around the inside, and then head back to the outside of this new RV. We're now up inside the Nitro 27KW here, and as you've seen on the floor plan there, again, bunkhouse in the back, master bedroom in the front, kind of a kitchen living room area in the middle there. And we are looking toward the front side of the camper. We have our sofa here, which is a power theater seat, so the two end sofas recline back power, and the middle one is a manual version. Does have a USB charger port in each end arm there. You have deep tint safety glass windows, little pull down shades on the windows as well. Gas electric refrigerator in the corner there. And there's also a little LED backlighting behind the sofa, kind of shining up toward the ceiling area there. All LED lights inside, which is pretty common now with most RVs. Do have a pretty good size ceiling height here in the living room area. You have solid surface countertops instead of a Formica or laminate, so you do have a nicer kitchen countertop set up there. Larger stove and oven, a few drawers there. Has a convection microwave also built in, some overhead cabinetry, and also a little LED backlighting up top there. A lot of linoleum floor in the coach, other than the slide out portion there. I like the fact that the TV entertainment area is directly across from the sofa, so it's a little easier to watch. Ducted air conditioning. Now this unit is 50 amp service. It's pre-wired for second air if you wanted to do a second air on it. Be sure to check out couchesrvnation.com. There's loads of pictures of these campers on there, so you can check them out, see what they look like. A little more detailed information on links, weights, specs, things like that. There's a radio down here, little indoor-outdoor speaker switches and light switches. Now this back section here in the toy hauler area, you have a rubber floor, but this is also a bunk area. And I'll show you a picture of that pop up here. But basically you can see here two bunks, one penned up, one down, or you put them all the way up. There's a window there on the left. There's also a sliding door back here, and you can use it as a screen door, or I have one of the panels on. I'll kind of show you when we get out there. But there is a screen section there, and that does swing open. So you can either walk out onto the patio, it slides open, or you can swing it open, and you can actually load your motorcycle or golf cart, something along those lines. Now over here to the right of the bunks is the bathroom area. So you have your traditional little bathroom sink, some storage down below, a little medicine cabinet there. Up top, you do have one of the bigger Fantastic fans, skylights, some little robe hooks and stuff like that. Little shower area. Toilet is foot flush. Little controls on the wall there for the Fantastic fan. And you also have a door going in and out. It's kind of nice because if you do go out four-wheeling or dirt biking, whatever you do, you can kind of go straight into the bathroom area and kind of clean up. You don't have to track through the rest of the coach. Or if your kids are like mine and they run in and out a lot to use the bathroom, that is a place for them to go in and out, again, without tracking up the rest of the coach. There's also a ladder down there that you see for the top bunk. Over here on the left side here is some of your control panels, air conditioning. There's a generator start-stop button. This unit is pre-wired and boxed out for a propane generator if you wanted to do something like that. Again, some light switches, 12-volt tank heaters, so you can do some better winter camping in this unit. The up and down switch for the bunks, and your air conditioner control. We're going to walk out onto the back porch area here. And this is an upgraded More Ride 0G door that we're going to stand on here. So it is a better door. It is real easy to pull up and down compared to the traditional spring helpers that some of the brands use. Got a little refrigerator back here, a little outside TV area back here as well. And up top, you got a couple docking lights. You can see LED taillights and stuff, pre-wired for an observation or backup camera there. Kind of see your little screen door section there as well. Now, aftermarket-wise, you can also buy a set of steps that goes out the side right there. And there is a separate little foot that you can do on there so that you don't have to use the cable as well. But it does have a little side door there to go out if you wanted to get that feature. One thing I forgot about, there is a big pantry area right back here behind the TV area. And your electric box, your breakers and fusers are down there. And then you got quite a bit of storage, and it goes up. There's a light up in there as well. So it is lighted. Master bedroom up in the front section here. Again, it is pre-wired for a second air if you wanted to do a second air conditioner. And basically there's a roof vent up there and the wiring right there. That is where your second air would actually go. Hanging closet on both sides of the bed. Shelf across the top section there. Bed does raise up, so there is storage underneath the bed. Plenty of room to come in here, walk around. There is TV hookups and stuff up here on the side wall. So you could plug in a TV in here, mount it up on the wall if you wanted to. Again, plenty of room on the side of the bed here. There is also a USB charger port back there. Electric outlet on both sides of the bed as well. Windows on both sides of the bed so you can open them up, get a good cross breeze going in and out of here on a good fall day. We're going to take a minute and head on to the outside of this toy hauler. Show you around the outside and let you check out some of the cool features out there. Alright guys, we're now back on the outside of this new XLR Nitro 27KW. And as you can see here, looking at the exterior of the coach, it is a white fiberglass high gloss gel coat exterior. And it is a laminated aluminum frame sidewall structure. And you have a 3/4 fiberglass front cap with lower diamond plate up here. Also has the Smart Power Tongue Jack by LCI on the front of it. Has power stabilizers also on the bottom to stabilize the front and rear of the coach. Traditional safety change, Bargman plug, 7-way plug, 2 5/16 hitch ball, room for 1 or 2 batteries to go on the front tongue area there. LED running lights and tail lights. Again, deep tent safety glass windows. Slam lock baggage doors. Got your storage compartment area right here. There is a light switch for the cap lights, motion light for your storage area. Also forgot to mention there's a battery disconnect switch inside the camper that was down below the bunk area there. Power awning has the LED light strip built in. Also has the smart arm on it, which is a nice little upgrade of an awning arm compared to the traditional. So you have some controls out here. Pretty cool feature. Outside hot and cold utility shower there. You have 6-gallon gas electric water heater, city water, fresh water connections, outdoor speakers, outdoor TV hookups, and your furnace exhausts out right here. Aluminum wheels. Has the solid step by LCI again, comes down 4 steps, touches the ground. Nice upgrade there on an RV. Has the better More Ride 3000 suspension system. That is basically kind of like shocks for an RV. Large folding entry handle. There's a vent on the side, again, toy hauler feature. power stabilizer jacks down below. You can see your button there to crank those up and down. Back up here a little bit so you can see down the side of the coach and your back porch area here. Again, has the upgraded More Ride 0G door. Really like this feature. It's much easier to put up and down. It's not going to fall down and crush somebody like those big heavy doors, those spring assist door versions. Really like this compared to the old spring assist style. Even has a little level here to just kind of help you level out the porch. Again, you can do the side step / side support aftermarket if you wanted to do that. Don't forget, guys, to check out couchesrvnation.com. A lot more information about the unit on there, along with pricing and stuff. 50 amp electric service. Dump for the back bathroom area right there. There's triple step going into the bathroom area. Black tank flush and your cable and satellite outlets right there. Low point water drains down below, fresh water tank down below. Does have an enclosed underbelly. Again, had the 12 volt heat pads on the holding tanks. Boxed out area for your generator. If you want to do a generator, be sure to talk to your salesperson about that feature. On the little sticker down here, it tells us our actual dry weight of the coach, 8,901 pounds. Unit has a gross weight of 13,215, so 13,215 pounds. That's axle weight, tongue weight combined, most you could load it up to. The garage back there is rated for about 2,000 pounds. You have two 6,000 pound axles. ST 235/85 R16 F range tires. Those are the same tires they use on a lot of big heavy fifth wheels. So you definitely have a lot nicer tire for a travel trailer toy hauler. Again, guys, check out couchesrvnation.com. Talk with your salesperson. A lot of information there. Great camper, especially if you're looking for something just to take one bike or a golf cart kind of thing. This is the unit to do it. Check them out.